Festivals are the time of joy and happiness. We all love to celebrate festivals. Today, we're going to learn about a variety of festivals celebrated in our country. There are two types of festivals celebrated in India: religious festivals and national festivals. Festivals having a religious importance are known as religious festivals, and national festivals are the festivals celebrated all over the country and are recognized by the national government. Now let's know which are the national festivals and which are the religious festivals. National festivals are marked as national holiday. Independence Day. Every year, 15th of August is celebrated as Independence Day because in 1947, India became an independent nation on this day. Republic Day. Every year, 26th of January is celebrated as Republic Day as Indian Constitution came into effect on this day. Gandhi Jayanti. 2nd of October is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti in the honor of the birthday of Father of Nation Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. Now let's learn some of the religious festivals. Diwali. Diwali is the festival of lights. It is celebrated all over India. People decorate their houses with lights and diyas. Dussehra. Dussehra symbolizes the spiritual victory of light over darkness and good over evil. On this day, effigies of Ravan and his brothers are burnt. Holi. Holi is the festival of colors. Huge bonfires are lit at night to signify the burning of evil spirits. People throw colored powder on each other. Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the spring harvest festival celebrated in Punjab. It is usually celebrated on the 13th or 14th of April. It marks the Sikh New Year. Christmas. Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year to remember the birth of Jesus Christ. People offer prayers in churches and decorate Christmas trees. They exchange gifts and sweets with their friends and relatives. These are some of the festivals celebrated in India. That's all for today. Thank you.